What if you could unlock the full potential of your business by combining the power of Web3 and AI, but 99% of companies are still in the dark about how to make it happen? This is a question that has been on the minds of many business leaders and entrepreneurs as they struggle to keep up with the rapidly evolving landscape of technology. The truth is, Web3 and AI integration is not just a buzzword, but a game changer that can help businesses achieve unprecedented growth and efficiency. In this episode, we'll delve into the world of Web3 and AI, exploring the latest trends and innovations that are changing the game for businesses everywhere. From decentralized data management to AI-powered automation, we'll show you how to harness the power of these technologies to take your business to the next level.
So, what exactly is Web3 and AI integration, and how can it benefit businesses? Web3 refers to the next generation of the Internet, where data is decentralized and users have full control over their personal data. AI, on the other hand, refers to the use of machine learning algorithms to automate tasks and make decisions. When combined, Web3 and AI can help businesses streamline their operations, improve customer experience, and make data-driven decisions. For example, a company can use Web3 to create a decentralized database that stores customer information, and then use AI to analyze that data and provide personalized recommendations. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately revenue growth.
However, as with any new technology, there are also controversies surrounding Web3 and AI integration. One of the main concerns is the potential job displacement caused by automation, as well as the ethical implications of using AI to make decisions that affect people's lives. Additionally, there are also concerns about the security and privacy of decentralized data, as well as the potential for biases in AI algorithms. These are all valid concerns that need to be addressed, and we'll explore them in more detail in this episode. But despite these challenges, the benefits of Web3 and AI integration far outweigh the risks, and businesses that fail to adapt will be left behind.
So, what does the future hold for Web3 and AI integration, and how can businesses prepare for the changes that are coming? According to experts, the next few years will see a massive adoption of Web3 and AI technologies, as more and more businesses realize the benefits of decentralization and automation. This will lead to a new era of innovation and disruption, as companies that were previously unable to compete with larger corporations will now have the tools and resources they need to level the playing field. But to take advantage of this opportunity, businesses need to start investing in Web3 and AI today, and develop a strategy for how they will use these technologies to drive growth and efficiency.
In conclusion, Web3 and AI integration is a powerful combination that can help businesses achieve unprecedented growth and efficiency. By leveraging the power of decentralization and automation, companies can streamline their operations, improve customer experience, and make data-driven decisions. But to get started, you need to take action today, and that's why we're inviting you to like and subscribe to our channel, where we'll be sharing more insights and expertise on how to harness the power of Web3 and AI for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your business and stay ahead of the curve. Like and subscribe to our channel now, and let's unlock the full potential of your business together.